Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Today we are doing a Kush, a cannabis inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be using the things that I have that are cannabis inspired. Hopefully you guys like this video. That's why we are doing the green look in the eyes today. I'm going to show you guys the eyeshadow tutorial first. If you don't want to watch that, just skip on by and watch the review after that, or just skip on to the end and find my final thoughts and opinions about these products. But I hope you guys like this look. It was really fun to make. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video right now. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was fun making. Let me know what you guys thought of the products. I thought they were amazing, honestly. Like, especially the eyeshadow palette, like the Revolution, what is it called? It's called Revolution Chilled with Cannabis Sativa Shadow. Yes, like, look at the packaging. It's just absolutely amazing. Guys, I know that cannabis does so much for people, okay? But just the colors alone, they were very pigmented. If you guys want to watch the swatch video, I'm going to do that right at the end of the video. I'm going to swatch all of these guys. You guys let me know what you think. As far as everything else, I'm going to get to that in 1 second. We're pulling up to get Zumi's senior photos done. That's why I had to do the video so quick. Hi, Zumi. Obviously, she doesn't like to be on camera. Zumi and I are waiting to get her senior photos done. Okay, guys, so I brought you to the car because Zumi had her senior pictures. That's why I was like talking so fast in this video, but I'm going to do the swatches right here in the car before the sun goes down. She just finished up her senior pictures. I'm going to show you guys some clips really quick. Now you guys let me know, do you like those pictures more than these ones that I took? I don't know, I thought my pictures were pretty darn good. So let's go ahead and get to the Revolution palette. I'm gonna do the swatch, do the first row. I'm gonna do this row first. And I'm gonna swatch them in really quick, fast forward motion swatches. Here we go. Row 1. Ooh. Wow. So here we go. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look how reflective it is, how shiny it is. You know what? Look at this. Look at the pigmentation. Wow. Can we just appreciate the color palette in the light? Look at that. I know the sun is going down, but you can just see how beautiful and delicious they are. And the little stamps of leaves are really, really cute. Super pigmented, super easy to work with. So if you guys don't know, hemp oil is cousin of cannabis, okay? But this company, Bisher, is actually, I believe it says hemp oil, or you can get CBD oil from them as well. So you can actually consume this. It helps you with your pains. It also helps with skin issues, and you can use it as a base under your makeup. I almost replace it for like a moisturizer after I shower or after I put my serums on. I will put that on. So it will help lock in your serum. The lip gloss, this is Star Luxe. These are brand new by Wet n Wild. I want you to see this. Like, these are probably some of the prettiest lip glosses that they have ever made. And I don't know if you can see on camera the glitter it has. It's like a micro glitter, which is beautiful. I know this is not cannabis related. The Kush mascara is probably one of the best mascaras I've gotten that's not a waterproof formula. It has a sticky consistency to it, and it's super thick. I mean, you guys can see how freaking large my bottom lashes are. It is amazing. And when I'm putting on my lashes, I put them on with this lash holder, as you can see. And it's nice because you can lay it down while the lashes get tacky, and then you just pop them on. This sucker is really, really cheap. I'll post links down below to all of these products, but I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. You know, I tried to, make this a little different, a little more fun than, just basic makeup. This is a cannabis-inspired makeup. Even though I did use some products like the Healthy Foundation or the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the Tristique Eyebrow Pencil. So these are not cannabis-inspired. I only had a few of them, but I hope you guys enjoyed and could appreciate this. Let me pick you guys up. Okay, so one of the reasons that I am pro, oh yeah, you know what? Let me give a close up of what the eyeshadow looks like. Isn't it so like deliciously beautiful? So one of the reasons, guys, that I'm a huge cannabis advocate, I'm very pro cannabis because I've seen what it does medically. My mother had 3 strokes and she came here. She could not walk. She was in a wheelchair. She was really, really bad off, and she was probably taking like 15 pills a day to maintain her pain, to maintain her mobility, to maintain everything. And I just couldn't stomach it. I could not handle it. Seeing her take that much medication, knowing what it was doing to her system. So I went to one of our local dispensaries here in Las Vegas, and I purchased her an AM, a midday, and a PM vape pen and some edibles. And I'm not kidding. I wish I would have taken video, and I did take video and document it, but I don't know where it went. I took this one video after 2 months of being here. She was up on her feet, exercising, doing squats. And my mom is obese, so she was actually doing squats, saying, "I haven't felt this good since I was in my 30s or 40s or something, like 30s, I think she said." She was like, "I feel great." And she was walking. She lost a lot of weight. She looked fantastic. She actually looked better than before she had the stroke, like, honestly. And I know the cannabis helped tremendously. I had her take a sativa, which wakes you up in the morning, and it actually helped with her appetite. I had her take a hybrid, which is between a sativa and an indica, to kind of just keep her, you know, more of a sativa though during the middle of the day. So she had a little bit of energy, but she was relaxed. And then I had her take an indica at night, which helped her sleep. Anytime that I felt like I needed to increase her eating, or I needed to increase whatever, I would supplement like a gummy of something in there. As far as some of my friends, I've had a very close friend, her husband had 2 heart attacks, I believe. And this last one really messed him up to the point he looks like he had a stroke, like he could not, I mean, like he had a heart attack. Sorry, I take that back. But this heart attack really did a toll on him. He was not mobile. He could not walk. He could not speak. And if he did, it was very limited. And so when she came here, I had her try some of these pens on him. And she cried pretty much and said that her husband could actually talk doing certain vape pens. He could actually talk, and he could actually walk more. So, you know, for you guys that knock cannabis and think it's just a drug for, you know, getting high or partying it up. Yeah, I get that part, you know, and I get that maybe that's why some people are against it. You know, because they're like, I don't want my kids doing drugs, you know, I don't want to be doing drugs, you know. And there are some pens that make you feel like you're drunk, or some pens that people use before they work out, you know, to get rid of the pain, to make them have that extra boost, almost like an energy drink. But when it comes to the medical part of marijuana, like, I just want you guys to know, like, I support cannabis 100%. I have seen it personally, firsthand, what it does to people, especially ones that are suffering from pain or have medical issues. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was kind of long, and I know it was a lot of TMI, but you guys let me know down in the comment section what you thought. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you guys give this video a thumbs up. I love all of you guys. Thank you guys for supporting my channel and watching me all of these years. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I love you. Oh yeah, and this is Zumi. Bye. Say bye, Zumi. Bye.